Okay, welcome viewers, you're all being welcome back to Young Bios Official. Today we'll be looking at how to solve a binary operation, and take note of the question wall if you are a candidate. Next question is a likely question. So the question says a binary operation is being given a x of y is equal to what? S squared over x minus y. So we'll be solving the first question, which says evaluate bracket of 2 of 3, then close bracket of what? 5. So solution. We have to state our operation, our binary operation, which is x of y is equal to x squared all over x minus y. Then we state our question here, which says 2, then 3, 5 is equal to this. So that's what I'm solving. So first, 2 of this 3 will be equal to 2 squared over 2 minus 3, which will be given as 4 over negative 1 is equal to negative 4. So we now know that in place of 2, we'll be putting what? Negative 4. So now, which brings us to another question, which says negative 4 of 5, which will be negative 4 squared of negative 4 minus 5, which is equal to 16, because we know negative will definitely become positive because of the square of 16 over all over minus 4 minus 5 is giving us what? Minus 9. So this brings us to the end of the A. Moving on to the B. The B says if x plus 1 of x plus 2 is equal to 1 over 3, we should find x. So solving for x, we have to look at this to then with the equation. So we know x y is equal to x squared over x minus y. So same thing applies here. So we having x plus 1 all squared over x plus 1 minus x plus 2 close bracket is equal to 1 over 3. Now moving on, we cross multiply. We having x plus 1 all squared times 3 will be equal to x plus 1 minus x plus 2. So we will now deal with the power. We will multiply. So we have 3 of x plus 1 all squared is equal to this. So this will basically give us x, expanding the brackets, plus 1 minus x minus 2. The negative will definitely affect the 2, making the 2 also what? Negative. Continuing, because of this power will affect only this, not this, because it's not a bigger bracket here. So affecting only this, we'll be having 3 here, x plus 1, another bracket, x plus 1. Then bigger bracket is equal to x plus 1 minus x minus 2. So using difference of 2 squares, you multiplying these two, you are going to get x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equal to, this negative will go with a positive. You know 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So multiplying this by 3, you have 3x squared plus 6x plus, because we have 3 here, then we move is equal to what? Negative 1. Now we are going to move this negative 1 here. So we're having 3x squared so 3x squared plus 6x plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x squared plus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now you apply difference of two squares, then you solve for x here. Always remember, like I said before I start, you write the operation given. So after the operation given, that's what you're going to use. Then substitute it. Given like this, you cannot go ahead and work straight. So the first step, you have to do the one in the bracket first, which is this. Then as we solved here, we had what? Negative 4. Then since negative 4 is the one in the bracket, times negative 4 of 5. Use the same process. That's how we came and arrived at what? Negative 16 over 9. Can also be written as negative 1 whole number 7 over 9. That's this same thing. We wrote it as in what? Mixed fraction. Now I come back to the question. We are being asked to find what? We are now being asked to find x here. To find x, we have to use the binary operation. Wherever you see the operation sign, we put whatever it means over there. So now we are still solving. We are looking for x.